Right guys, Bcb, this is their multi-tool. It's got, this pouch is quite a good pouch. It's a nylon cordia pouch. On the back it's got the bits, Allen keys, screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips, and then the bit holder which slots onto the part I'll show you in a minute on the tool. Press stud, I'm not impressed with press studs. There is an occasion where they snap and there's no way of shutting that. So we'll go on to the tool. It's not a bad tool, it's quite large and chunky, so good for gloved hands, although you won't be getting no tools out with gloved hands, but you know. The pliers are sprung needle nose pliers with quite strong wire cutters, stainless steel, and you have to keep it shut to get the tools out. As you can see, there's a wooded surface insert which is glued or epoxied in. I am worried about this falling out if it gets smashed. Multi-tools do take a hammering, so makers need to be aware of this fact. So the tools are a long flathead screwdriver, the bottle can opener which has got quite a sharp blade on it. This is the bit holder, and you've got a long, it's quite a thin Phillips head, but very handy. I've used this at work and at home. Obviously no use for when I'm in the woods, unless for the cameras, so for Action Man, my cameraman, might come in useful. You've got the descaler, it's got a file on one side and a ruler on the other with a disgorger for fish hooks. It's got quite a nice sharp drop point blade. It's not serrated at all. You've got a bottle top opener for beer and the likes of that, a thin flathead screwdriver, an oar for punching holes in fabric, just for repairing. As you can see, spring in action just helps when you're cutting, helps it aid in opening it. So just showing the way that you can get the bits on. So you need the bit holder which slots onto the end, which is magnetised, and say we want a large Phillips head, there you have. It's quite strong. It's got, like I said, magnetised blade. You can hear that click. That's the kit, and it's not a bad multi-tool. This is their large tool. Bcb make two other tools, I imagine, a small one and a very small pocket-sized one, which is quite handy. Obviously for all knife collectors, multi-tool collectors, you've got quite a handy kit there to have. It's a Bcb large hunter's tool, supplied with pouch, and it's cheap as well. You know, if you don't want to spend £100 on a multi-tool, give Bcb a look up. The website is www.bcbint.com. Type it in and have a look on their website. They've got all manner of tools, gadgets and equipment. They supply the army, you know, they can't be that bad. I know I've heard some bad things about them, but I found all their kit to be very useful in what they're made for. Bcb Hunters multi-tool.